Welcome to our journey through the planets of our solar system. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a rocky world with extreme temperatures. Next is Venus, known for its thick toxic atmosphere and scorching heat. Earth, our home, is the only planet known to support life, surrounded by water and a breathable atmosphere. Mars, the red planet, is famous for its surface features like volcanoes and valleys. Jupiter, the largest planet, is a gas giant with a great red spot and numerous moons. Saturn is known for its stunning rings made of ice and rock particles. Uranus is unique for its tilted rotation and faint rings. It's an ice giant. Finally, Neptune, the farthest planet, known for its deep blue colour and strong winds. Thank you for exploring the planets of our solar system with us.